Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add timestamps to your YouTube's video's description. So let's go ahead and jump into this YouTube tutorial right now. So adding timestamps to your YouTube's video description is very easy. I'm on the YouTube studio right now. Let's go over to one of my videos on the left-hand side of the screen and select videos. Let's go to the YouTube video I want to just add timestamps to. So I'm going to use this one right here and go to details, select this. Now that I have my description open, let's go ahead and make enough room for my timestamps. Now I'm just going to be adding in random timestamps that really don't correlate with the video. So let's go ahead and just type it in. So what you want to do is add in the time in minutes. So 02, then add the 2 dots, and let's just go 35 seconds, and this will be my play of the game, POG. Then in front of that, maybe let's go 01, the 2 dots, and let's go 45 seconds and put in insane play. And then for the first one, let's go ahead and just add 12 seconds. How would we add that, for example? We're going to want to go ahead and put 00, the 2 dots, and then put 12 seconds. And let's go ahead and put intro. So we got 3 different timestamps in there, and you have to do this all in minutes. Once you have that in there, let's go ahead and go up to save and check it out on the video itself. So let's go ahead and click the video link, and the video is now playing. Let's go down to the description here, and I see my first one, the intro, insane play, play of the game. Let's go to the insane play. Once I select that, it's going to load up the 1 minute and 45 second mark, and that was not an insane play by me. Now let's go down to the play of the game and select this and see if it works. So 2 minutes and 35 seconds, play of the game. See if it actually is a play of the game. And it does not appear so. So adding timestamps to your YouTube description is very easy. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to YourSixStudios and YourSixGaming. And check out some of the other videos coming up next.